Good morning, everyone. I am your science teacher, Miss Nishtha Batrachuk. Today, we are starting with a new chapter that is Too Much, Too Little Water. If you can see, this is chapter number 18 of your book. Let's start the chapter. What does it mean? Too much, too little water. If you see, what is water? Water is the most vital substance on earth. About 71% of water surface is covered with water. Our earth is covered with water. Water is always available in three states, that is liquid, solid and gases. Water vapors are basically in air form. Water is an essential resource for life and good health. Human beings, as well as plants and animals, need water. What to drink? We must always drink pure water. Unclean or dirty water can harm our body and even causes diseases like dysentery, cholera, even more diseases which can affect our body. It would be better if we boil the water and then drink it. Cold drinks also cause trouble in our body, mainly in the digestive system. So, we have understood that water plays a very important role. Now, let's just continue with the chapter. There is a story in the chapter which contains three parts, and it will tell you different things, that how much, if we get too much water, what can cause to our society, and if we get too little water, what can be effects on our society. Malamanda, Andhra Pradesh. Saguna was reading her book when she heard someone's at the door. She saw that there is a visitor from the city. Appa welcomed the guest, and Appa called Salva to offer the cold drink to the guest. But can you guess why he only called to have a cold drink, not a water? Why? I will tell you. Because Appa said these days we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. It does not even look clean. It could be better if you do not drink this water. We should not have a choice, so we should drink it. Like, we can say that in the story, what we learn, that Selva offered cold drink because at least cold drink have a clean water in it. But the water which they are getting from the society is unclean. What are the effects which we can have from unclean water? Is that we can have many diseases. Yes, some of the diseases are cholera, dysentery, even diarrhea, etc. So he called for a clean cold drink so that a visitor can drink this. He told the reason that why the um, clean water not coming to their houses, because there is a leakage in the house pipes. That is why many people are falling sick. So these are the some questions which are given in your book. Now you can answer these very well. Now let's come to another story. Water games. Bazan Gaon, Bazar Gaon, Maharashtra. Now it is a story of Maharashtra where Bazar Gaon is there. There was a big water park near the Bazar Gaon. One day Rohan and Reena went with their parents to the water park. There were many water fountains and they both were very happy. Now, whenever we go for a water park, we are so happy. We want to go on a splash. We want to ride the water rides. So they were both the children were very happy. Reena said, Rohan, see those rides. They are very amazing. And look at the big ponds. Rohan said, splash, splash. Turned around. They saw a long, thick water who's going zoom, zoom, zoom. And they were so happy. Reena said, "Look, Rohan, there is so many brides in the water. And look at the big ponds." Rohan said, "Splash, splash." Both turned around and they enjoyed playing in the splash. As you all know, you also enjoyed while we go to the water parks. But can you know that where the water comes in the water park? Yes, the water comes in the water park through rivers. Pipelines are connected to the rivers and they are getting water from the rivers. Even though the water is collected in a pond like swimming pool, they get it clean by putting some chlorine tablets. Yes, chlorine tablets are used to clean the water. Chlorine is put in the water so that the germs, so that the infection can be cleaned in the water ponds. Just then there heard a lot of noise, voices coming from the outside. Everyone ran towards them, the gate, and there was a crowd. They were carrying empty buckets and pots. As we can see in the picture, the children are standing with the mother, and there are a lot of people standing in front of the gate, and they were carrying bottles, they were carrying buckets. A small child carrying an empty bottle was clinging to his mother. Rohan's mother went to one of the women in the crowd. "What is the matter?" she asked. The woman replied, "You ask what is the matter? Our wells have no water and you are getting so much water in this water parks. And where is this water coming? It is coming from the rivers. Our river pipes and been disconnected and it is connected to your water pipe. So it is the main issue which we are facing. If we will not get water, how we will survive?" The always listen to the things which they others says, and this is the main reason. That is why we are getting little water. We should always preserve water. If there is an emergency, we should always use the water cautiously. So let's us start. Let's just over here. Part 1 is finished. We have studied 2 stories. Now read the chapter carefully and we'll continue with the chapter in the next story. Thank you, kids. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.